Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making the photo available to your watch. Enable iCloud Photos and confirm both devices use the same Apple ID. Once done, open the iPhone Watch app and go straight to Face Gallery, then pick Photos. Choose an existing synced album or create one in Photos, and tap Add to install a Photos watch face. This begins the sync. Make sure your watch is on the charger or close to the phone so the images transfer quickly and reliably. Next, customize how the picture appears and why those choices matter. In Face Gallery, tap the photo's face to adjust style. Choose Single Photo for a fixed image or Photo Shuffle to rotate images. Make sure to set Perspective Zoom off if you want the whole image visible, and select Complications for quick info like battery or workout. If you add multiple photos, the watch rotates them. Use this to keep the face fresh without changing it manually. These settings control readability and battery use. Finally, apply the face and confirm it appears on your watch. Tap Add in the Watch app and it becomes available immediately. Once on the watch, press the crown to view the new face and check clarity. Adjust brightness or perspective if elements are cut off. If the photo fails to show, resync the album in the Watch app, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, and restart both devices. This usually clears sync issues. If problems persist, remove and re-add the photo's face to force a fresh transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.